Good day to drive, especially in this 2026 Ford Maverick XLT with space white exterior, black onyx interior, seating 4-5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include XLT luxury package, selectable drive modes, 4K tow package, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, join our website island4.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. All-weather mats on the floor with the Maverick badging, your integrated trailer brake controller, gas cap release, and your light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, your selectable drive modes to switch modes depending on the road and weather conditions, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touch screen with your 4-pass Connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your dual climate control system with the cold weather package that comes with heated seats and steering wheel. You've got air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. Your air vents, your volume control, hazard light, defrost control, and auto hold to hold your fuel towing, for example. Little bit of room for storage below with a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports. Your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders, your electronic parking brake and traction control. A console with storage below, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 19-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, cabless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera will be below the Ford badging. Your box is 4 feet long, 4K tow package, pin connectors, sensors on the back bumper. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Cargo mat is making it easy for cleaning, tie downs in all 4 corners, and a 120-volt outlet as well as lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo bed. And when you're done, just pull your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and power windows in the door. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. As you have a bench seat, you gotta pull the tab and fold your seat up. But when you're done, pull the tab again and we'll fold the seat down for you. Anchors to tether baby seat, all with the mats on the floor with your extra carpeted mats, slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, USB-C charging ports, 120-volt outlet, and 2 cup holders. Your hooks and handle, dome light, and speaker in the body. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, 4 feet long box, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated blind spot monitoring, LED headlights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.